Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Shopify Metafields. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Shopify.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, orders, products, customers, content. Here you're gonna find analytics, marketing, and also discounts. And then here under sales channels, you're gonna find online store and also point of sale. So here, if you go to the bottom, you're gonna find settings. If you click on it right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these settings. Right here, you're gonna find the general settings, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments. Right here, you're gonna find checkout, customer account, shipping and delivery, taxes and duties, and so on. So right now, go ahead and click on custom data. You're gonna find it here in the bottom. Once you click on custom data, right here under it, you're going to find Metafield definitions. Add a custom piece of data to a specific part of your store. So right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these parts where you can add a custom piece of data. For example, you can add it to your products, your variants, collections, customers, orders, and so on. So right now, I'm going to go to products. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to add a definition. Give it a click. And after that, you're going to be right here. You're going to find name, namespace, and key, and also description. So right here, give it a name. For example, I'm just going to add, for example, tutorial like this. Then right here, as you can see, guys, you can add your namespace and key. And then here, you can add a description if you want. Then here, you can select a type, single line text, multi-line text, integer, decimal, and so on. Then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the validations. And once you finish, just click on save. And then, as you can see, guys, your product meta field will be added. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.